Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, also your Roof Max dealer for the Rockford and Beloit areas, Wisconsin and Illinois. Wanted to make this brief video. As you can see, we communicate more effectively with short little videos like this to kind of explain our service, what we see, what we're going to do for you. The sun right now isn't allowing me to film the greatest video, but on this north side of your house I can see a lot of the black algae, the mold, the mildew, and that's really just an aesthetic thing. More or less the blacks stuff you see on your shingles, it's not shortening the lifespan of your roof at all, but it is a sign that your shingles are starting to dry out. So we can do one of two services depending on your budget, or if you'd like to keep your roof, how long you're going to live here. The best thing you could do for your roof is just to rehydrate it, because it is drying out. I notice a lot of replaced shingles around some of these plumbing boots. So, you know, over time, the shingles, the petrochemicals in the oil from the UV rays from the sun, over time they just dry out, and the shingles start to curl and clump. And I'm actually noticing, you know, some signs of that from the ground here. So my best suggestion, if you were to invest any money, would be a conditioning treatment with the all-natural bio oil from Roof Max. That's going to be a good solution for you to add more life into your roof. Each treatment gives you another 5 years. And if you don't do anything about the black streaks, because the conditioning treatment doesn't really take away the black streaks, you're going to need to do a soft washing wash on the back of your roof. So that's a separate service. I'd be glad to do that for you. And we'll give you different prices for the two services and help you out there. But at this point, my suggestion for your home, since your home doesn't face north, you know, curb appeal, I don't see anything visually wrong with your roof on this side, and the black streaks aren't really going to shorten the lifespan of your roof. So rehydrating your shingles with each treatment gives you another 5 years of life, and I believe you could easily get 2 treatments on this roof for an extra 10 years. So if you take a look at the packages down below, it's based off of $1 a square foot, and nowadays, you know, to tear off and replace a roof this size, probably looking in the range of, you know, $4 to $5, maybe $6 a square foot, depending on the shingle you choose or the contractor you choose to install it. Because nowadays, like you saw with the lumber and the plywood, everything just went skyrocketing, and I fully believe that over the next 5-10 years, building cost to replace roofs is going to go up. So if you have any questions about this hydrating service, or if you'd like to get some testimonials, we have lots of videos or people that happy clients you can ask, and they can tell you more about our service and how they're happy. So take a look at the packages down below. Let me know which one works best for your budget and your timeline. We look forward to working with you. Once again, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. You can call or text 815-520-6020. Thank you.